Flourish has accessibility built in from the start. Screen reader support, keyboard navigation, and tab order all come as standard. So do high contrast colours and downloadable data. Let's take a look at the other ways the Flourish Assistant can help support accessibility. With the Assistant, it's even easier to make accessibility improvements. You can tweak fonts and colours, or ask for suggestions to declutter a chart and make it easier to read. One of my favourite accessibility features is screen reader descriptions. For this chart, I'm going to ask the Assistant to write one for me. If we click on the change, we can see what was added in the settings panel. A good screen reader description shouldn't repeat the title or subtitle. Someone using a screen reader can already access those. Instead, it should explain the main takeaway from the chart. It should help people understand the story you're trying to tell. That's exactly what the Assistant has done here. I now use AI-generated screen reader descriptions on all of my charts. It saves me time and helps make my charts more accessible. So next time you need help making your charts more accessible, ask the Assistant for help.